So, at the bottom of your jar, chances are you had some really big particles, maybe some pebbles or chunks of clay. It would just depend on what sort of soil you have in your garden. The next layer up will be the stuff that's a little more sandy. We know that soil is made from broken down rocks, and sand has the biggest particles of broken down rocks. So once there's your rocky, pebbly stuff at the bottom, the next will be sandier soil. The next layer up, which I can see really clearly on my jar because it's been sitting here for about a week now, is a layer of silt. That's a really fine particle of dirt. Next up, we have the water. My water's a really murky colour, and you might be thinking, oh, that's because I put dirt in there. And you'd be right. But more specifically, that dirty watercolour has come from what you would see floating on the very top. And on the top of that, you'd find any organic matter. That is, bits of plants or living things that aren't living anymore and are breaking down in the soil. And that floats on the top of your experiment mixture. So if we took that water away and added those things all back together, you would be able to see that there's lots of interesting things underneath your feet.